Welcome to the part of our tutorial series on how to enter a closed deal that covers the process of calculating the deal's transaction value, or total consideration, commission, and other associated fees. The fee calculation form has a summary section at the top with a form below it for your fee schedule for this deal. It is already pre-populated with information that was entered previously, such as how the rent per square feet is expressed, the commencement date, the square feet, and the rent per square feet. If you filled out the rent schedule on the lease details form, you can copy this information over by clicking on the Import Rent Schedule Data button. Click OK to confirm, and the system will populate this form with the relevant information for you. Please note that the data in the rent schedule on the lease details form is kept separate from the data on this fee calculation form, so changes to one form will not automatically update the other form. This allows for research and accounting-related functions to remain separated. If there isn't any information in the rent schedule to import, you can add the details directly to this form. Fill out the fields from left to right to allow the system to calculate as much as it can for you. Click the Add button to create a new line, or the X button to remove a line. To calculate the commission amount, enter the rate and select how that rate is applied. The system will calculate the fee amount for you unless you select flat fee or no fee. For flat fee, you can enter the fee amount for that period directly. Notice how your calculations are summarized at the top of the form as you enter or modify the information below. You can also add non-commission fees and taxes to this form. We recommend calculating taxes after everything that is being taxed has already been entered on the form. Enter the taxable amount in the total amount field, then add the tax rate as a percent of the total amount. The Include in Transaction Value checkbox determines whether your total amount for this line should be included in the deal's transaction value. In this case, you'll want to uncheck the box. Make sure to enter everything that is related to this deal and is billable to your customer. For example, a premium marketing expense that can be recouped from your customer can be added by selecting the applicable description and period type. You can either remove the other values that don't apply here or update them. For example, to reflect the date the expense was incurred. Finish by updating the rate type and expense or fee amount. You can override any of the calculated values manually if needed. We try to make our calculations as accurate as possible, but understand that there are sometimes differences between our system and manual or spreadsheet calculations due to variations in precision. Once you have entered all of the fees, click Save and Continue.